Here are some blind-friendly tips that are associated with the towel clip. In my kitchen, I have a basket with a stack of folded, clean bar towels. That way, if I have a mess to clean up, and now I can't use this cloth anymore because it's too messy, I just have to reach over and grab another one, and I can keep going for about 12 towels. The second tip I have for a blind-friendly kitchen is to have a small basket or container to contain towels that become soiled or that you can't use anymore. They're too wet. You can just reach over, drop them into the basket that you have designated wherever you do in your kitchen. I have mine on my counter. And then you just reach for another one and clip it on. And that way you're always in control of your towels. Your laundry's nice and isolated. Things aren't getting messy. And actually that basket can be used for your heat-resistant gloves and also for your cutting gloves should they become soiled.